Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on right now at your local Home Depot. So let's dive in. So we're going to get started with some Ryobi tools. Here you can see some of these pressure washers are on sale. We have the 1800 PSI down on sale, and then also the 1900 PSI on sale as well. Then we even have a few of our lawnmowers for sale. You can see some of these deals going on right here. You can save $100 on these different lawnmowers in the Ryobi brand. Let me know in the comments if any one of you guys have tried one of their lawnmowers before. Then we also have some of their trimmer and other outdoor kits here on sale. You can see a lot of these prices have been slashed, so you can go and grab you some good deals on some Ryobi tools. Then we also have a few deals going on with Milwaukee right now. We see some of these combo kits here for the trimmer and blower on sale, and then a few just deals going on with this trimmer here, $50 off that. And we also have to buy one of these and you get the battery for free. So pretty good option with Milwaukee here. Then we also see another deal going on with this trimmer here for Milwaukee. You get $100 off of this option. So if you're interested, definitely save some money there. Then we also have some deals on some of their blowers as well. Again, Milwaukee is a great brand. They're going to do a great job. Then we see Ridgid sliding in here with some good deals. These are some of the best deals that I've seen for Ridgid in a long time. So if you're in the Ridgid brand, or maybe you want to jump into this one, these are some great options for you. If you buy the battery, then you get one of these for free. Then you can see some of the other prices for some of their deals as well. So some good items here in the Ridgid brand. We also see their fan, little job site fan here on sale. Solid option right there for that. Then even some filters and their Ridgid shop vac, which pretty much everyone I know has. Then we also have some Ryobi scrubbers. Get some deals on this, and then even some of their scrub brushes. Then we also have some big deals going on right here with Ryobi. We see the 6-tool combo kit for $199. Great price for that. Again, Ryobi is a great DIY brand. It's going to do a great job for you. Have multiple Ryobi tools. And then we also have some other little drill bits here. Then we see the pole saw and pruning saw combo kit for $200, and then also another shot at the telescoping power scrubber. Then we even have some deals with a few other Ryobi items. You can see right here some of these prices, and then also some more Ryobi savings with the camp fan, and then also the screwdriver kit. Then we also have the camp fan here. Great option with it being so warm. And then you also, when the purchase of these batteries, you get to pick one of these tools. So you can see all the tool options here, a bunch of different ones, great options, again, in the Ryobi brand. So here's a little bit bigger expanded option right here. So if you get these batteries, you get to choose one of these tools. Again, some great deals and some great tools to get you started here in Ryobi. And here's another shot at a little bit bigger fan for Ryobi. Great one for the ball field or for the job site. And here's a few more deals and options on some of their tools and some of the things going on. We have some nailers here. And we also have the miter saw and a little bit different combo kit here, but still great deal on that one. Then a few more combo kits as well. And then some pretty good prices here on some of these drills. And then even a couple other sets for the drills as well. So if you might need some of these, you can pick some up, save a little bit of money. Then we have the Ridgid mobile toolbox here. We got some deals on these. So if you're in the Ridgid brand, or if you just want to grab some of their mobile toolbox options, you can see some of these deals going on. Again, you get to save a significant amount of money on these. And we also have the framing nailer here for $180 in Ridgid. We have the brad nailer for $159, and then also the digital inflator. Then we have some hand tools here from Husky, some options, the pliers. And we also have this set I've never seen before with the pliers and the adjustable wrench. You can check that out. Pretty good option to keep on hand, but just never seen something like that. Then we have a few different other options as well, so you can save a little bit of money. We also have the Husky 270-piece mechanics tool set. You can see all the items right there. Great buy, great savings and purchase on that one. And then a few more other combo kits and setups here for the Husky brand. Great things just to keep on hand. You never know when you're going to need a lot of these little tools and some hand tools. And if this video has been helpful so far, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe so that you never miss another video. Then we also have this homeowner's toolkit, great thing to give as a gift or just to have at your house. And then we have a few more other items here in the Husky brand. We have the floor jack, pretty good price on that. And then we also have multiple toolboxes and carrying bags here. So if you need some of these to do some projects with, you can definitely do that. You got the backpacks, which are really cool. And then also some of the larger toolboxes as well. And then here's just another setup, kind of seeing what all they have and what's available. A lot of these have been marked down, so if you're interested in a tool bag, got a lot of different deals and options here for you. So some pretty great options in Husky brand. Then here's another setup for the Ryobi options. These are the high performance tools, very similar to the other deal. If you purchase the batteries, then you get to choose one of these for free. So you can see the options here. You got some saws, some drills, and even the shop vac vacuum as well. So you can see some of these deals. We even have the combo kit here for $159. Pretty good price on that. And then here's a couple other options and views of what the deals were. So you can see some of these deals, pretty good options and deals on these. So if you need some of these, they also have the pruning shears here that you get free if you purchase the battery set. Then right next to this, we see some Diablo blades. We have the reciprocating saw blades and also some other options here. So if you need some of these, you need some saw blades or even some spade bits, you can definitely do that. Then we also have the oscillating blades and other blades right here for Diablo. They're a great brand. They're going to definitely do a good job for you. Then we also see here the 6-tool combo kit like we talked about earlier, but really good deal on that, getting you into the Ryobi brand. Then again, in the performance option here, we got the brad nailer. Milwaukee has a few of their items still available on sale. So if you need to grab some of their merch, you can definitely do that. Then a few other small hand tools with the T-square, even the multi-screwdriver, which is one of my favorite things always to keep on hand, because you never know what projects you might need. Just keep it in your vehicle. Also have some fine point job site markers, and then also general purpose utility blades here. Pretty good prices on all of these. Then we have the fastback folding utility knife. I really like those. They work really well. And then a few other deals here with Milwaukee. Pretty good prices on these. Folding hex key, great to have that. And a few more items to help you keep you cool in the summer. Then we have a couple of lights, multiple different light kits here. Again, the same thing with one of these. Then you get the battery for free. Great pickup for that. Then we see the ratchet on sale, and then also some other options with the drills and the batteries on sale here for Milwaukee. And then a few different combo sets here for Milwaukee as well. And a few of their smaller tools. Again, some great deals on these. Like I've said before, Milwaukee is a great brand. It's definitely going to do a great job for you and going to last a long time as well. Then we have the job site light. Grab one of those. Then we have the 7-tool combo kit for Milwaukee, $500. All the tools you'll need for a long time there. Then we have some mid-torque impact wrenches, grease gun, and then also some of their other tools that are on sale, dropping prices right here for Father's Day. So here is a basic diagram of all the options that you guys can get. You can grab one of these when you get the kits. Again, you see the price for those and the options that come with them. So you got a bunch of good deals on Milwaukee going on right now. Then we have a few other tool options here. So you can see some of these multi-tool, sander, and some other options here as well. Also, let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing for Father's Day, whether that be for yourself or for a father in your life. We see a few more tools here. Again, get the free tool with the purchase of the battery here. So got some great options on a lot of these tools. And then kind of here is, again, another setup of what's options you can choose from here. But great time to get into the Milwaukee brand. A lot of great options, a lot of great tool sets and combo kits here at Home Depot. Then we have a few more gloves and other safety items with Milwaukee, and then also a few more light options here. So if you need just the regular lights, headlamps, job site lights, whatever you might need, a lot of great deals for those right there. And then we see we have a few more other kits in Milwaukee. And then we even have this wet dry vac on sale, and then a few more tools as well. We've seen some of these on Black Friday, but they're kind of coming back around with some good prices. Then we know it's warm, so here's some great options for some fans. This is the one that was on the biggest sale, so you can check that out. And then a few more deals on Milwaukee here. You can buy 2 of these tools and then get the starter kit for free. Then we see a few more drill bits here on sale, a few dollars off of this pack. Then we see just a couple other sets of the Ryobi options as well. Just want to show you some of these deals that I found in a different section of the store. Just some of the combo kits and other sets. So if you are in need of some of these for yourself, you can grab some of these kits and save you a little bit of money in the Ryobi brand. Again, here's some of the high performance options as well. See some of the prices here. Save a little bit of money on some of these. They did have this DeWalt saw on sale for $600, so pretty good option right there for the FlexVolt. And then even this Ryobi option right here down to $76, so a great price on that. A few other deals, we see some Dremels on sale. You can save $10 off of this one, and then a little bit more off of some of these other Dremel options right here. Again, these are great to always have, especially when doing some DIY stuff. Always great to save a little bit of money. $35 for a Dremel tool. Pretty great deal right there. You see again, here are those options. I did see this. Just want to let y'all know that you could do the portable carpet and upholstery spot cleaner on sale. Grab one of those. And a couple great deals that I wanted to point out. We got some work tables here from Husky for $2.99. Those are some great prices. A little bit larger one here for $3.50, but these are the adjustable height ones, so those are really cool. And check out these Husky drawers right here for $300. That is a great price. And then also the top for $149. I mean, again, just check out all of these deals right here. These are some of the best deals that I have seen on some of these mobile units. So if you are interested or maybe you need one, these are definitely a great time to go and check and see if your local Home Depot has these on clearance, because again, these are great. I actually have one of these myself, and I definitely did not get them at this price, but these are some incredible prices right here. You can see even the large one has a great price on it as well. I also have some deals right here on some Kingsford charcoal. So you can get some great options right there. And then even some of their outdoor seating was on clearance as well. So $500. You can get this set up. They also have the 2-chair set here for $700, $699. Good price for that. Then even the outdoor seating, outdoor tables here, pretty good prices on a lot of these. So if you're interested, you can grab some of these dining sets, even some of these other chairs as well. Some of these clearance prices right here. Then some more deals that I know dads are going to love. We have some great deals on some grills. We see this one right here for $2.99 for Nexgrill. Then also some Traeger's. Great prices on this one for $3.89. That is a great price. You can save $200 off of this one right here at $5.99. Again, Traeger's a great brand. They're going to do a great job for you. Here's the Nexgrill. That's the name of the brand. And then a few other options as well. Some of these are on sale, some are not, but there are some great deals and great prices going on right now, especially on some of these pellet grills. We see the little bit larger Traeger here for $500. Again, a great price for that. And then some Weber's. You can save $50 off of these. Again, Weber's a great brand. I've had some and they've lasted a long time, and I know multiple people that still have them and do extremely well. So if you need to grab one, just a basic option, Weber's a great deal for you. Another deal I found right here are on some bird seed. So if you need some large boxes of bird seed, you can grab some of these, save you a little bit of money. Also saw some deals on a couple power tools here. See this DeWalt chainsaw Also some Ryobi blowers. So if you need some of these blowers, these are a little bit smaller, the lightweight options here. I've used some of these. They've worked pretty well. And then we have another deal right here. See again, some shearers for Ryobi. You can get some deals on those. Then we also have the 40-volt blower for $143. We have a very similar model, works really well. And then a couple of these combo kits. You can see some of these right here. We saw a couple of them up front, but some of these are still in the back, so they were not publicized as much, but still have some great deals on some of their Ryobi products, especially their outdoor items. And then we even have this large auger here. You can grab one of these for $3.99. Definitely can do that. Then even some of these other blowers are on sale, so you can grab a couple of those. And then one more deal I found for Milwaukee. Found this set right here for $3.50. Pretty good option right there for Milwaukee. Then outside we had a couple different deals. We had this side-by-side on sale for $8.99. And then we also had the zero turn for Ryobi down to right at $5,000. I believe this is about $1,000 or $2,000 off of their regular price, so pretty good deal for that. Then we had a couple other grills outside, 99 bucks, great grill to get you going, especially on some propane options. Then we have some of their clearance items. We can see a lot of Ryobi and Husky items right here in this section, so if you need some of these, always go and check them. I say this often, but this is where I got some of my tools. I got an impact wrench and also a drill here for Ryobi at super cheap cost, so you always want to go and check and see what's available. This is a great deal right there for that Ryobi item. And then again, we got some lighting and some other just DIY stuff and also some project stuff. So always go back here, check, see what might be available. You never know, might be what you need. Might just be a different brand or a different item than you're used to. So you always want to go back there and check and see what might be available. And again, we see a lot of different tools and options here in the clearance section. But overall, there are some great deals going on right now at your local Home Depot. You can let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. But thanks so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.